The process for updating is almost identical to that used for installing charts from an AVCS base media. Start by inserting the latest update CD into the appropriate drive. Go to the top menu bar, select Charts and Navigation, then select S63 Manager AVCS Primar. Then, in the Totem S63 Manager window, click on the Load Cells tab. Next, select the CD/DVD drive from the drive drop-down list and navigate to the ENC_root folder. The catalog.031 file will be shown on the right side. Now, click Next. Select the AVCS database. Note, if the database does not already exist, click on Create New Database on the left-hand side to create the AVCS database. Now, click Next. The installation of the Update CD will then start. When the installation is complete, where the bottom bar displays 100%, you now need to synchronize the installations of the permits with the database. When the Select Database to Sync Your Permits window appears, click OK. When the synchronization of the permits is complete, an installation summary report appears confirming that the update cells have been successfully installed. If the installation of the update cells have not been successful, error messages such as SSE error messages will be displayed in this installation summary report.